As you can see, there are a lot of boxes, so let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Abby. If you're new to my channel, visit me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you're up to date when I post new videos like this one. Of course, on this channel, I do reviews on products, items, and services that I use, from small brands to big brands, and hopefully my reviews can be informative and useful to you. So if that's the kind of content and information you're looking for, then you're in the right place. Alright guys, so this will be a haul unboxing and quick review of several items that finally came in from Gilt. I had a few other items that were supposed to be in but haven't arrived yet, so you might see a part 2 of this video. I don't know. Since they're all here, I just thought it would be smarter and easier to do an unboxing haul all at once, making life easier for not only me, but you, and who doesn't love a good haul? So guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. As you can see, there are a lot of boxes, so let's get into it. I'm gonna start from the biggest to the smallest. We're just gonna go in that order, and I'm just gonna unbox these and go to town. Okay, so they are sneakers. This one is New Balance, and this one is Valentino, as I mentioned. And let's just go ahead and check out what's in each one. And I just bought what I liked and what I needed at the moment. Ooh, this is pretty in person. So these are some New Balance 500. They are like a pale pink and white. So I have a Shein activewear video that I did, and I realized when I was doing that video that I didn't really have sneakers, a lot of sneakers, because I really don't wear them that frequently. And again, because I started working, I was like, you really need to buy some sneakers. I had like 2 pairs of sneakers literally, and they weren't anything that I would want to name. But so I was like, I don't want to necessarily buy super expensive sneakers all the time, and I wanted something to particularly go with some of the pink outfits that I had, and just something that was feminine and cute. And so I saw these and really liked them. They were actually really inexpensive on Gilt. Okay, and then these are Valentino sneakers as well. So bag, lovely, you know. Luxury brands always just give you something a little bit extra. They are gorgeous. I actually thought this was white online. I didn't realize that it was like a pink. I know it said rose gold, but I was like, oh, maybe the details. No, it's like a pink, rose gold, and white. It is gorgeous. I am so pleasantly surprised. I love them. Okay, so that's what you get. I have the tag on the other shoe, and all the important bits. So again, if you're looking for a more in-depth review or anything, or maybe me styling it, that's just let me know down below and I'll get a video up for you. Okay, so the sneakers are the Valentino Petra BK Rose Gold. So if you're interested, that's what that one was. Okay, let's get into the next box. Okay, so I'm going to open the next box. I have 2 boxes that are this size, and I don't know what's in each, so I'm just going to open it up. Alright, so I think I know what these are. These are jogger sets. I'm gonna go, or like yeah, I think jogger, or like not really lounge. Let's open it up. I was hoping the tag would tell me exactly what they are, but you get sweatpants or bottom and a top. Okay, so that's the brand, but that's what the top looks like, and again the bottom. So I'm not gonna go into in depth on that. And then I got another pair in a different color. This one is by Good Human, I think. That's the brand there, and it's similar material but different, and again in this kind of like tie-dye pattern that it's kind of the rage. So that's what the top looks like, and obviously I get the bottom. And I just wanted something comfortable again to go out to the store on a Saturday, or if I want to go walking or jogging or just to visit family and I want it to be cute and casual at the same time. I'm just realizing that this one would probably pair well with both the New Balance and the Valentino sneakers. So I'm actually really excited about that now that I know that Valentino is kind of like this pinky rose gold. That would be a cute way to style it. I got things running in my head. But anyway, let's move on. Again, another box that was the same size as the other one, so let's get it open. All right, and it appears that there's shoes in this particular box as well. I don't remember though. Okay, so another pair of Valentinos. I actually think these are the first ones I ordered before the other one. Are black Valentino. Just classic black, and that's what I really wanted, was something that could go with kind of everything. So again, not going to get too in-depth in that, but if you want to see an in-depth video styling, let me know. And again, another sort of like jogger set. I think these are Catherine M's as well. I'm looking for the tag, which I can't seem to locate. Oh, yes. So they are Catherine M as well. And they're just classic gray. All right, so here is the final box, the smallest one of the bunch. Let's get it open. So here's a purse I forgot that I even purchased. But I remember purchasing it because I was like, I really need some color in my wardrobe. So let's just open it up and I'll show you guys real quick. Okay, so here is the bag out of the plastic covering. I really love it. I wasn't sure that I was going to actually keep this bag. I actually thought about returning it. It's the only one out of everything that I unboxed today that I wasn't sure about. But seeing it in person, I love it. It's a Tatiana Luna. It's embellished on the gold, basically buckle, and also here. I love bags that have gold details or just that little extra touch of sort of branding on it. I think it really elevates a style. And when you're paying for something, you kind of sometimes want to know what it is. So anyway, not that all bags have to have like this like name branding, but I personally love that. So I'm really happy. There are bag straps that will be attached here. I'm pretty sure they're either in the box or probably in the bag. I've never bought this brand before, so I'm not exactly sure how you open and everything like that. And obviously this isn't meant to be a full-on review. So anyway, that is the last item from the unboxing haul. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing haul as much as I did. Again, it wasn't meant to be extensive, just trying to show you guys some of the items that I picked up. I've been a Gilt member for years. I mean, years, a very long time. If you want to see me style anything, if you have questions about any of the products that I shared, make sure you drop me that in the comment box below. If you use Gilt, what do you usually shop for on Gilt.com? I'd love to know what brands you're interested, or what items do you shop for, just luxury bags and goods, clothes, or do you kind of do a little bit of home as well? Do you shop for babies, you know, things like that. So let me know what items you usually scout out for on Gilt.com. Of course, I will link any information that's available and still active. So any products that are still active on Gilt with the linkable information, I'll make sure to link that for you guys in the description box below. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.